Hey guys, Ashkan Abbasi here today, and this is my 22nd video, I think. I don't know, 21st, 21. Anyway, and my 21st video saying hey guys. So today I'm playing Snappy Bird, innit? I was like, come on, let's have a few goes. I just got this game. I'm really rubbish. What the hell are these graphics? Yep, I'm really bad. Just like a phone. Oh no.
I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound.
Right. You know what? Change plan of the video. Right. Just watch this. Right. I'll play this and I'll show you how bad it is as well. Right. Look at this. I'm bad. This is what. Look. Straight away this comes up. For everyone. What? Wait. Just watch. I'm doing this on purpose now. What the flip? If that's Monster Legend, what the hell is this game? Right, you know what? I'm already done. Yep, I'm too rubbish. No. I'm done. I'm just done. I am done, people. What the flip?